Let's now know its features. Nokia Play 2 Max 2021. Display size 6.8-inch Super AMOLED with a 4K resolution and Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection. 108MP primary lens plus 16MP secondary shooter plus 8MP ultra-wide lens plus 5MP depth sensor on the rear. Dual 32MP plus 8MP lens for capturing selfies and video calling. This Nokia smartphone uses the Qualcomm Snapdragon 880 plus 5G flagship platform chipset, 10GB, 12GB, 60GB of RAM and 128GB, 156GB, 512GB of internal storage. It can be expandable up to 1TB via a microSD card. This Nokia mobile comes in blue, white and black colors. Nokia Play 2 Max connectivity option include Wi-Fi, 5G support, Bluetooth, GPRS and more. Hopefully the Nokia Play 2 Max smartphone can go official in the coming months of this year. Nokia Play 2 Max price around $550, which is translated to 40,000 rupees. Thanks for watching this video.